Greetings, everybody. It's time for another update on the scrap house situation. This weekend, I've been blessed with some fine folks off of Facebook Marketplace. And so we finally, after several months of diligently searching on Craigslist and Facebook Marketplace, have found a source of flooring for the scrap house. And here it is. If I'm not too lazy, I'll post a picture up of it while it's sitting in the pickup truck. Because it was a nice haul. It's about 250 square feet of luxury vinyl plank. You know, it looks like hardwood. And very nice stuff. Very sturdy. Being it's vinyl, it should have a nice longevity to it. And should also be hopefully waterproof, if not water resistant. Certainly more so than wood. And it went in nice and easy. And I'm thrilled about it. It sleeps great. It's nice sleeping on a clean floor instead of that stuff that I was sleeping on before, the backing of pegboards, which actually makes a perfect underlayment for this flooring. It's extremely moisture resistant and can be very absorbent. Might protect the floor above. Well, it's not really absorbent. It just I've spilled so much crap on this this underlay over the last several weeks or months, I guess. Anyway, so that's the update this week. Is we got flooring in, and it looks great. Certainly adds a nice ambiance to the environment. Went in fairly seamlessly, and it was all around very easy to work with. I was very pleased. I have no packaging material for it, so I have no idea where it came from or who made it or any of that kind of stuff. All I know is it came off of Facebook Marketplace for free, and I did give them $48 just because, and actually I wound up having to go help the dude after I met him because he ran out of gas on his way home, so I wound up turning around and going to render assistance. So there is the new flooring. I'm very thrilled about it. And in observation, in honor of the scrap house, it is scrap wood, scrap material that I picked up from somebody that was getting ready to throw it away. And the story is the wife said, "You can't throw that away. Somebody's going to use that." And sure enough, she was right. So thank you, Father. Blessings for this lovely flooring. I still have quite a bit to do downstairs, but the upstairs is floored. I still got to do the trim work and put in the seam, the seam covers, and I'll have to put in some more quarter round. And also we'll hopefully be building some smaller filters, some 1 foot long filters for the rain barrel water tower, which is holding up steady. I turned on the water this afternoon, and also, let's see, Sunday night when I got here, because we did receive a little bit of rain, but I wanted to make sure that the siphons were still pulled and the water was still flowing, and sure enough it is. So I'll go down and demonstrate that for the time being. So as we knock out these little projects soon, when the water tower is plumbed and there's nothing left to do to it after I'm gonna insulate this lower section too, and I'm thinking about getting some solar water heaters to put into the barrels just to keep it, just an extra level of protection to keep things from freezing. And I'm gonna have to move the plumbing, of course, under here and get it all boxed up, get it, get more of this foam panel, insulate the lower box, and this whole space should be wide open. Except for the filters. I'll be putting a couple of filters in and probably do a 2-stage carbon filter. And so anyway, when the box is done and I've got the top insulated, I can then finally move on to rebuilding the greenhouse. Of course, if anybody cares, last week I did a little bit of clearing on the side of the greenhouse over the summertime, working on the house, which is almost finished, and working on the water tower. My attention has been misdirected away from the growing of food which, you know, shelter really does need to come first, and this place is a mess. So, this guy's just awaiting dismantling, and I'm going to build him smaller. Instead of being 18 feet long, I think I'm going to come out to either 9 or 12. Not exactly sure, but the whole area has been taken over by this weed mess shit. And if anybody has watched those old videos of the guys doing the crop circles out in the UK, you know, they just took a board, you know, a board kind of like these pallet planks, and drilled a couple of holes in the ends of them, ran a rope through it, and kind of ran the rope behind their neck, and they just go stomping down the grass. And that's what I did over there, and that was actually very, very effective. Great mitigation tool for killing off all the weeds that stand taller than I do without getting in too much trouble. Didn't step on any snakes or anything like that. And so anyway, the tramping them down certainly seems to do a very nice job. And then, you know, going in after and stomping, breaking all the stalks. Pain in the ass, but once it's done, I think this year I'm going to lay down an ass load of cardboard boxes once I've got all the weeds pulled up, and just you know, kill off everything and smother it out, so that hopefully next year this won't be a problem. I tried using tar paper to bake the earth, and it does work. It's just too flimsy and doesn't last long enough, and puts creosote in the soil. And anyway, weed control and mitigation is a major issue out here for a idiot like me, who's you know, just getting his feet wet in this thing of living free and independent. But it's all worth it. I'd much rather be doing this than you know, sitting in a cubicle somewhere chasing my freedom and independence through the monetary system, which we already know is a rigged game and is ready to collapse. And I actually may have a solution for that for us, you know, and it's not electronic. But we'll see how that goes. Anyway, I hope everybody's having a lovely time and is enjoying your life, and you know, resisting tyranny at all levels. And well, I'm going to go back to enjoying this beautiful day and get some work done. So, for the love of freedom and independence, signing out.